Wallahi, think about that question for a second. Those Israeli criminals, armies, when they were pressing the button to detonate and kill the children, imagine knowing that when I press this button, I have a 30% chance of killing a child. And they do it knowing that. And in fact, they've killed 2,000 such children in the last 10 years. You know you're going to kill children. It's not fighting. You're punishing a militant group with killing children. Because you know why? They think because these are Palestinian children, they are as good as cockroaches. They are as good as animals. Wallahi, I believe if they saw a dog being killed, they'd feel more sorry for that dog than they feel sorry for the children of Palestine. We're going to continue shouting at the top of our lungs, and we are going to continue putting pressure on you. We are a lot of people here. With 50 million Muslims in Europe. Who do you think you are? Don't ever think that we're going to remain quiet. We're too big a number. You can't get rid of us. There's no genocide that can deal with us. No nuclear weapon can get rid of us. We're in every city in the world.
And the flag of Palestine doesn't symbolize, and it will not symbolize, and it cannot symbolize, and it has not symbolized, civilian death or the celebration of civilian death. We don't celebrate, and this is a caveat I'm going to make, a disclaimer that I am going to make. Yes, we do not celebrate any death of any civilian from any religion or any background. No man, no woman, no child. And that is not despite the Islamic teachings. That is because of the Islamic teachings.